Hello everyone, today I'm going to showing you actually how to increase your hard disk health status. So I recommend a software which is hard disk sentinel. You have to download the software hard disk sentinel. See, there is a you can download on their website hard disk sentinel professional. So I already download and install this software hard disk sentinel. I again installing to show you actually how to install hard disk sentinel pro setup. It shouldn't sound surprising, but a lot of users go through a similar situation daily. It doesn't matter if you use an internal or an external hard disk. Chances are that it might suffer from any unwanted issue, therefore before it crashes unexpectedly. And it is important to diagnose its health and go and do a hard disk check. The good news is that there are multiple ways to test hard disk health and even improve the overall hard disk speed. Head on as this in depth guide has covered every related solution on how to check hard disk health and improve its health. Hard disk drive is undoubtedly the most important component of a system. After all, it is where your important files are stored. If it is an internal drive, then it will also store the crucial system files to make sure that the hard disk runs smoothly. You see on the screen I have several hard disks. They are 100% health status, but you see in this hard disk this is 86% health status. There are 24 weak sectors found on the disk surface. They may be remapped any time in the later use of the disk. At this point, warranty replacement. Anyways, the hard disk shows 86% health status. So our job is to do 100% health status. We can start the surface test. There is any bad sector or not, we can test. So we can do surface test if there is any bad sector or not. I already saw that there is no bad sector in that hard disk, but there are some issues. So I stop this. Actually, no need to do surface test. The first thing we will do, click on manage, disk management. You see, this is the hard disk which have actually problem J and H. Our first task will be delete the volume. Deleting this volume will erase all data on it. Backup. Actually, there are some data on this hard disk, but I don't want to. It's not actually important. That's why I will erase. So we will restart the hard disk sentinel. This is the hard disk actually, which is shows 86% health status. So our task is to do 100% health status. You see maximum temperature during entire lifespan 57% it shows maximum, which is a bit high. So you have to go SMRT option. SMRT option. You see in this hard disk actually this is all right. The problem is in this side 197 current pending sector. This is 200. Okay. So you have to click here. Okay. 200. This is 200 value. So we will type minus 200. You see the problem is fixed. Minus 200. Now you will see the health status become 100%. You see the hard disk status is perfect. Problematic or weak sectors were not found and there are no spin or data transfer errors. I have another hard disk. You see, I have another hard disk which is 92% health status. We can do same treatment here. You see maximum temperature in this hard disk 59 degrees centigrade, which is bit high. So we will go SMRT. In this hard disk, yeah, this is the hard disk. I and J drive. I and J drive is you see 197 current pending sector 200. But in this hard disk J and H drive games worthy, there are lots of data in my hard disk, which is very important. So we will experiment my data keep safe or not if I change this. The use of this option is recommended only for advanced users. By using this option, the displayed status may not reflect the actual condition. Are you sure you want to change this option? Okay. So we will do the same. 200 value, we will type minus 200 minus 200. You see, this hard disk health status also 100% now. And you see estimated lifetime now shows more than 1000 days. My previous hard disk that actually estimated lifetime shows 800 days, but that hard disk also now shows more than 986 days. If this video will help you, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. Thanks for watching.